Hey guys, Kyle from Mazda Madison here. Here in Wisconsin, we have to take a lot into consideration when we're looking at a new vehicle. Mainly, you have to have size for our families, doing the things outside we want to do, but most importantly, how it holds up in the winter. I have two vehicles here in my showroom that fit these bills perfectly. The first one here is the CX-50. With more length than the CX-5, it has all the space for the family and for the space for all your outdoor recreational activities. The roof line is actually lower on these than the CX-5 to better reach your cargo racks, but you'll see it actually has good room for passengers still as well. The second of the pictures I wanted to show you here, maybe you're at a point in your life where you don't need to think about carrying a family with you, or maybe not anymore or not yet. In that case, I still recommend the CX-30. This one is still one that's going to give you a lot of great options when it comes to winter driving, because here in Wisconsin, that's in the forefront of a lot of people's minds. But you can see, not quite the same size, but still has a great shape to it, still has a lot of space. Most importantly, it's still all-wheel drive. So stop on by, take a look, and I'd be more than happy to get you behind the wheel of one to check it out. We'll see you then.